How to hide previous usernames on Roblox. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide your previous Roblox usernames. So first of all, you need to go to the Roblox website and log into your account. Now go to roblox.com/support. Instead of home, you're supposed to write support and then hit enter. This will take you to the Roblox support page. Your username will already be filled in and your first name is optional. Now enter your email address in this field. This allows them to contact you. Now make sure that you type your email address correctly and confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Next, select the device you use to play Roblox or the type of help category. This is very important. Select Data Privacy Request. A new menu will appear. Click on it and choose Right to be Forgotten. Now in the description box, type something like, I would like to clear all of my previous usernames. Thank you. And if you've entered your email address correctly, click on continue and this will contact the Roblox support and they will have cleared your previous usernames from Roblox. I hope this helps. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.